So today my study section started at 7 a.m. and I began with reading an article from Ionesis. The article was pretty long, but I spent around 30 minutes trying to carefully comprehend each paras. And after that, I solved around 2 RCs and practiced some VA questions. Then from 10 am to 5 pm, I moved to QA, and the topic was simple and compound interest from arithmetic. I have done some questions, including few PAQs. Later in the evening from 7 pm onwards, I practiced DALR. I solved 3 sets, one from my previous mock test and the other 2 from an YouTube playlist.